according to Kohlberg, a dutiful citizen who obeys the laws set down by society is at which level of moral reasoning? Aba, pambungad, ayun na kaagad. May isang teorya na kaagad na hinihagi sa atin. No? So according daw po kay Kohlberg, of course, we are talking about your moral development theory, a dutiful citizen who obeys the laws set down by our society is at which level? Would this be letter A, pre-conventional, stage 1, letter B, pre-conventional, stage 2, letter C, conventional, or letter D, post-conventional? What is your choice? Of course, letter C, ang ating tumpak na choice. Kasi sabi dito, no, obeys the laws set down by society. So according po kay Lawrence Kohlberg, no, sa kanyang moral development theory, meron po tayong tatlong main levels na makinig. Meron po tayong pre-conventional, conventional, at post-conventional. At kada level po ay may tigda-dalawang stages. Okay? So, kapag ka sinabi po natin conventional, unahin po natin ito para mas maliwanag sa ating lahat. No? Kapag ka sinabi po natin conventional, ito po yung stage, no? Ito po yung level kung saan we are following the rules, the laws set by our society. Kaya po siya tinawag na convention, conventional, conformity, di ba? Norms, kung ano yung normal sa ating society, kung ano yung nakikita sa ating community, okay? Now, prior, no, before your conventional level, meron ka pong tinatawag na pre-conventional level, and